Hey everybody, we're here at Frontenac State Park, just south of Red Wing. It's about 90 degrees today. Let's go on a hike. Getting started here. Like I said, it's 90 degrees today. Holy cow! Look at this beautiful view behind me. We're going to be walking along the ridge top here, which the trail is paved, and it is going to be for half of the way. And then we're going to cut down the slope here, and we're going to hike back along the riverside. So, yeah, buckle up. Let's go. This is the Mississippi River, by the way, which when I got here, I looked at my phone and there's a flood watch in effect for the Mississippi River. It's pretty windy today. Nice breeze coming through here. You can see some of the ripples on the river. This is actually, I believe it's called Lake Pepin. So the Mississippi flows into this lake and then flows out. Alright, as you can see, we have gotten off the paved trail. Didn't last as long as I thought. But yeah, nice little trail here on the hillside. Alright guys, found another teepee. Someone told me that these are built by the DNR. They come out and build these so that kids will come play in the woods. Uh-oh, everyone count your cans. I'll take that. I don't know if anyone's ever noticed this, but I always carry this bag with me for garbage. If I find garbage, I pick it up and I take it with me. What happened to this tree? Bigfoot. Bigfoot. This is really great. Those are two osprey circling behind me there. There was a couple eagles also circling over here, but they're kind of behind the trees. They went away now, but I think I might have got them flying by at first. But yeah, there's a lot of large birds out here. I even think I saw a North American eagle. Gorgeous. This was a really great viewing platform. I saw a lot of good birds. Thumbs up. And another osprey circling. Oh, look, a kayaker down there. We have begun our descent down to the bottom. Aha! Now we're talking. Look at that. Much better view from here. Those look like some claw marks. There's my hand. I just looked it up. We are descending about 300 feet. I think it's like 312 feet. Note, I will have to climb back up at some point. On the other side. Oh, there was a bench here and it was... I was going to keep going, but it just begged me to sit down and take a break, so... I guess. I really love these mossy rocks. It's absolutely awesome. Alright, so we've reached the lower Bluff Trail. So we're hiking down kind of towards the bottom. Not right at the bottom though, there's still another, I don't know, maybe 100 feet or so down to the water. Alright, found a nice log here to sit on with a nice backrest. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take a break. So I got some Ruffles and a Coke. I also had some peanut butter M&Ms, but they didn't make it this far. Let's just say that. Okay, so this spot I sat in for break. Sitting on this log facing uphill. Because right in this little break in the trees up here, there's 4 osprey circling and flying around. And I ended up watching them play in some of these trees over here. And then you can't see it, but there's a cliff just beyond those trees. And I think they have their nest in there because I can hear them making noises down in there. But I've been sitting here for about 45 minutes. And it's time to head out. Keep walking past these ravines as I go along. And every time I do, it's almost like when you open the freezer, you can feel that cold air just rushing out. That's what it feels like. It feels like someone opened the fridge up there and just letting all the cold air rush down the hill. It's quite refreshing. I don't know if you can see that, but there's an osprey, maybe an eagle's nest, right there. It's enormous. We have begun our ascent back to the top. That's what one of them was. I saw one of these, a turkey vulture. And I was wondering, because I was like, that looks like a vulture, because I saw the red head and everything. I was like, what vultures do we have in Minnesota? The turkey vulture, I guess. I don't know if you can see this, but right there in this limestone cliff, there's a big cave. An opening. There's another one up above it too, up here. Those caves are where the osprey making their nests. Right, so we just came up the lower bluff trail. And that's a shorter trail that goes right up this cliff to the car. We're gonna go this way down the rock quarry trail. Great place to do some little free climbing or bouldering. Bolt iron loop in the stone here. I guess used to anchor cranes that were used to drill for quarrying. Yeah, we're looking for colored limestone, which you can see some orange, bright orange stuff over there. Quarrying continued through the 1930s. Awesome. There we go, folks. That's what it's all about. Simply awesome. Alright. Another beautiful overlook here. This is the town of Frontenac down in here. Old Frontenac. driving back here at the parking lot here. Let me give you the sunset in the background. Look at that. Awesome. This place was amazing. Tons of wild, large birds. I did get a, what is it called? An American white pelican, or a northern white pelican, something like that. I took a picture of it and I will post that. And I got it on video, but I don't know if it's going to show up. It was kind of far away, but that was awesome. Other large birds, turkey vultures, eagles. It was awesome. One weird thing was I didn't really see any people here the whole time, except when I was on break. I was sitting there and all of a sudden people came from both ways. It was like 4 groups of 2. There's like tons of people just all of a sudden came out of nowhere. But that was the only time I ever saw anybody. So that was kind of funny. Also, I noticed here now that I got back to the parking lot, there's picnic tables, grills and stuff right here at this big overlook. Now that would be awesome to come here and have like a family barbecue. Great spot. Anyway, had a great time. It was beautiful here. Check you next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.